Okay guys, we have a guitar that we brought in from a friend and we're gonna clean it up today. So we have our supplies, we have the rag, and just look at this guitar here, and it has some dust on it because it's probably been hanging on the wall, not doing much. So you have a rag in your kit, but if his guitar needs dusty, just go ahead and get one of those old rags that you probably use. It's a completely different texture than ours, and just use these rags to take off the dust. You get your Rockit rub that you would get in your kit, and there is a lock. So we're going to take the lock off, give it a good shake. That's all we need to do. And since this is this guitar's first application, you go ahead and put a lot on there. So typically, if you already treated your guitar, you don't need that much, but first time, better. So you get our rag. This rag is designed to clean quite a bit better than the other rags from other people. Let's get this. This is a step one, just removing all the grime and stuff. You could see, we saw a lot of the grime, those spots and stuff on the finish that we want to get off, and get the parts we can reach real easy. Keep rubbing. It's a rub, so when the reason why we call it a rub is because you keep rubbing on, even though you dried it off, you just keep rubbing. But I'm going to move on to the step 2, which is the shiner. Again, take off the lock, give it a good shake. You can use the same rag, it's fine. I'll give you one, so that way you have a good rag. And it's good to replace your rag every now and then, so when you order a new kit, you get another rag. Looking a lot better. If you see some smudging, just keep rubbing it out. I thought I was gonna have to respray, and I didn't need to respray. You need to keep cleaning, keep wiping it. The more you wipe it, the shinier it gets. You'll feel the guitar get smooth. The finish will be smooth whenever you're getting close to done. There you go. Looks like we got it.